So is that true? Our Verify team is all about getting you the facts. So we found out that Bring Your Bible to School Day is a legitimate event on October 4th this year. It's an annual event described as a way for students across the nation to celebrate their religious freedom, and participation is voluntary by students of all grade levels. It's organized by the nonprofit Christian group Focus on the Family. Now, that organization does have Trump ties. Under this administration, the State Department gave over $49,000 for an abstinence-based HIV/AIDS prevention program run by Focus on the Family's affiliate in South Africa. Also, Vice President Pence spoke at its 40th anniversary celebration last year. But the Bring Your Bible event started back in 2014 under the Obama administration, not Trump's. So we can't verify. It's false. President Trump did not start or declare October 4th as Bring Your Bible to School Day. With our Verify segments, we go Old Testament on the truth, looking for those online posts that would try and deceive you. If you see something that doesn't sound right, shout out at me. I'm on Facebook and Twitter at AdamLongoTV. You can also email the Verify team, verify@WUSA9.com. So our neighbors to the south are still dealing with the aftermath of Florence. First, in Conway, South Carolina, at least one neighborhood near the Waccamaw River is still completely flooded. The water is almost up to the top of the first story of homes there. Down the coast in the town of Georgetown, residents are being asked to evacuate by sunrise as rivers rise there. And check this out. A NASA satellite tracking flooding off the coast of North Carolina. That dark stuff you see flowing out into the Atlantic, yeah, it's pollution. Florence dumped an estimated 8 trillion gallons of rain on North Carolina. That is still flowing downstream and picking a whole lot of yuck up with it and carrying it right out to sea. So that remains to be seen when everything there is just going to kind of settle down. I'm curious, are we going to actually see some sunshine tomorrow?
We are. In fact, you might think, if I lost my mind, I'm going yellow weather alert tomorrow.
We didn't think. We were.
Well, we knew that.
Conclusive.
But it's going to be actually a fairly nice day. I mean, after some morning fog, I'm a little concerned about some dense fog in the morning. Then some sunshine. It's the end of the day, and tomorrow evening and night we're concerned about. But in the meantime, mild start, maybe some fog, early 74, 79 at recess, and 84 going home. I'll put a storm in there, but really, I think all the storms will be after the kids get home from school. Do you think it's been wet this September? You are correct. Right now, we are in 6th place. We're only 2,500 from vaulting into 5th place. That was set back in 2011. We're not going to touch 1934, where they had 17.34 inches of rain alone in the month of September. We already have 19 inches a surplus for our year average. That's how wet it's been. Now, the question is, how does it break down by day? Well, if you look at day by day in September, we hardly had any dry days. The umbrella indicates measurable rainfall. The check mark indicates a trace of rain. So we've only had 7 dry days of the 25, and quite frankly, it looks like it's going to storm tomorrow night and then rain again on Thursday. We're going to add 2 more wet days to September. That's kind of crazy. All right, let's talk about our yellow weather alert and the storms on the way. Okay, so here is the timetable. We've pushed it back a little bit. So yellow weather alert tomorrow for storms. Critical time now is 6 p.m. to 11 p.m., so many of you will make it home before the storms develop. Our main threat is still damaging winds. And yes, we have a yellow weather alert on Thursday. We'll have sunshine to start, and then the rain and showers move back in really pretty quickly on Thursday. So another yellow weather alert day. All right, what are our threats tomorrow? Well, we have a moderate risk of thunderstorms, low for heavy rain and hail, strong winds, moderate risk again. That's probably the main thing we're concerned about with these storms as they develop and move through. A cold front's pushing through tomorrow, and that's what's generating these storms. So, all right, let's talk about the futurecast now. By morning, a lot of clouds, a little bit of dense fog. Mary will be here early in the morning to make sure you make it to work, because some of the visibilities will be very, very low. But look, nothing really happens. Sunshine by 9 o'clock, sunshine by lunchtime. The showers and storms don't really move in until late tomorrow evening and early tomorrow night. So what does that mean? Well, that means yellow weather alert, no doubt about that, for tomorrow and Thursday. And then Friday, morning showers and rain, then we clear out. We'll hold off on Friday. Weekend has not changed, still very nice. Mid-70s on Saturday, Sunday, DC United in town, back in the low 80s next Tuesday with some afternoon storms. We'll be back after this.
The people who are fighting for statehood see this as a civil